So hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm in coaching center. Today I am going my channel. I'm in coaching center. Today I am going to explain your max chapters. So the first chapter of your max is first chapter not I will explain chapter number 13, that is statistics. So this is an easy chapter, and statistics and probability, they will ask for 9 marks both chapter, statistics and probability, both they will ask for 9 marks. So this is important chapter for passing students. This 9 marks is important. So the first thing in statistics is, first we learn the mean. In the mean there are 3 types. So about mean you have learned in even your lower classes, mean, median, mode. Here there are 3 types. They are direct mean, and next is assumption mean, and step deviation mean. Step deviation mean. These are the 3 types, and for this here calculating mean you have the formula. So the formula for direct mean is the formula for direct mean is, what is the formula is, x is equal to, means the mean is equal to 5 is equal to sigma x1 f1 by f1. So this is capital sigma, that means summation, and this is the, when I will do sum you will understand how to use this formula. Next, after the direct assumption, next is direct mean. After that assumption mean, that is the formula for that is x is equal to assumption a plus the summation of f1 d1. Here you have to write f1 d1 by summation f1. We call this as summation, as I said. After this assumption mean, next is step division. That is to write that x, that is mean, is equal to assumption plus sigma f1 x1 by sigma sigma also we call our summation x1 bracket h. So this is the formula for that h, this is h. So for direct mean formula is x is equal to summation, or this symbol you have to use, and x1 f1 and summation f1. And for assumption mean the formula is the assumption plus summation f1 d1 plus summation f1, and step division is x a plus summation f1 and x1 and summation f1 into h. So let's do the sum that is given in your textbook, that is exercise 13.1. First sum. Here they have given the, here question is, a survey was conducted by a group of students as a pair of environment awareness program, in which they collected the following chart regarding to the number of plants in 20 houses in that locality. So now what you have to do means, here they have given the number. So first you have to write the number of plants. That is 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6. In the question they have given, see, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14, like this they have given. And the number of houses they have given is, houses is 1, 2, 1 5 6 2 3 like this they have given. So this information till here they give. Next you have to find the class mark. The class mark that you have to find is how you will find that is the middle number 0 to middle number. What is that? 1 2 4 middle number 3 4 6 middle number 5 6 8 middle number 7 8 10 middle number 9 10 11 middle number 11 12 13 12 14 middle number 13. So like this you have to write the middle number of this. See this starting number. And next is the FIXI, that is to found this first. FIXI to found this you have to write that first. FI and XI, that is the second you have to found, so that you have to write. So next what we have to do means we have to do into with both 1 1s are 1 2 3s are 6 5 1s are 5, so 5 7s are 35, so 9 6 are 54, and 11 2s are 22, and 11 2s are 22, and the 13 13s are 9 39. So we have to do here total. So how much total we get? 2 1 5 6 2 3, total is we get 20. We get 20 total here. 20 total we get here, and sigma sorry and the summation of summation f1 x1 is equal to 162. The total if we do. So what we have to do now, we got 162, the summation 162 f1 x1. So next what we have to do means, next is we have to put the formula, the direct formula, that is x is equal to summation f1 x1 by summation f1 is equal to, so what we have to write means the 20 by 162 we get 8.1. so this is the answer. X is equal to 8.1. so like this you have to solve the answer. See, so next second question. So I will solve 1 2 questions, then you have to solve the questions in your textbook, and I will give the more questions in the description. So next question is, they have given the daily worker, that is 500, so 502. So next daily wages are 500 to 520, 520 to 540, and 540 to 560, and 560 to 580, and 580 to 600 they have given, and the number of workers they have given is 12 14 8 12 14 8 6 10, and the class marks, as I said there, class mark is 510, 530, 550, 570, 580. So till here I did, but here you have to do more. Still what you have to do means, so t is equal to x minus t, so this constant you have to take, and you have to do minus with this. So what you get? Minus 40 you get, this minus 20 you get, 550 minus 550 0 you get, 20 40, like this you will get. And next still you have to do, because assumption this is big, you have to do it, this is long form. And next is u is equal to d by h, so your constant you will take, and 2 1 1 2 you will get here, 20 you may take constant, so you will get like this. And next is the f1 and x1 that we have to find, that is we get is 12 to the 24, I will write here 24 and 14 0 6 20. This is the f1 and x1 is equal to, and here summation f is equal to 50 we get. So now assumption formula you have to write. If assumption you have to find this much, you have to do a is equal to a plus bracket assumption f1 assumption, or this is the step deviation f1 by h. This is the formula, and what we have got is, here we get the total is 12. X is equal to assumption constant, here we taken this is a is equal to, and this is a is 550 plus here f1 and x1 we get minus 12 and minus 12 by here 50 we got, and h here 500 minus 520 20 will get 20 20 20 here, all if you do minus you will get 20 only. So 20 0 0 cancel, and 550 plus 12 12 into 24 by 5 minus is there, so it will become 500 550 550 minus 4.8, and the answer is 545.2. So this is the answer you have to find in step deviation. This much you have to find, not only class marks, you have to find x minus t means assumption you have to take, and you have to do minus. If you have to find the assumption means only one thing you have to do, this assumption you have to do this much, and you have to do into to it, or you can do you should do into with this. If you have to find only assumption a plus that, this formula I said no, for this if you have to do find, so what you have to do means this constant assumption minus only this much you will get, and into you have to do not this one, you have to find 0, you have to not take, or into you have to do this, and this into you will do, here number will get the total, and this and h is not there for assumption formula as I said. So like this you should do more sums. I will give the next sums in my description also. So next topic is, after this you have so some sums are in textbook, you have to do that sum also. So now we have find it the mean. Next is we have to find is mode. Next is mode. Mode formula is mode is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into a bracket close into h. This is the formula for mode. So to find the answer for mode, so I will take one example. 1 minute. In the textbook they have given an example, so this example I will take to find the mode. So here you can see this example, this I will take, so I will write here also. So what is that example is, what they have given is the they have given C1 class interval is 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11 they have given, and F frequency they have given 6, 11, 20, 6, 11 not 7, 8, 2, 2, 1. So now here you have to find the L. L is equal to L, you have to find the L. So to find L, what you have to do means, here 8 is the greater number, and for that L is equal to 5. Here L is equal to, so next is the mode formula. So mode is equal to mode formula is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So this is the sum they have given. So to find L is equal to 8 greater number, first number this you have to take, that is 3. Here see 8 is greater number here, so this first number you have to take, that is 3, and F0 is equal to its upper number, this F1, F0, this F1, and this lower number is the F2. F0 is 7, this one, the 8 greater number, this is F1, you have to consider the greater number, and the up number is F0 and below down number is F2. So F1 is equal to 8, F2 is equal to 2, and H is here, see 3 minus 1 2, 5 minus 3 2, so 2 is the number you are getting if you minus this thing. So now what we have to do means we have got all the things that is in this formula. So now formula, put the formula L F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H formula you have put it. So L is 3 plus F1 F0 is 8 minus 7, and this also 2 into F1 is 8 minus F0 is 7 minus 2 into H is 2. So like this you have to put, and what you have to do means now you have to put 3 plus 8 minus 7 1, 8 to the 16 minus 7 minus 2 into 2. So what you get minus so 3 plus 1 by minus into minus plus, minus is the this you have to do plus, 9 you will get into 2. So 9 minus 16, 3 plus 1 by 9 minus 16, what you get, that is you get 7 into 2. What you have to do means now what you have to do means to multiply 3 plus 2 ones are 2, you have to do 7. So now divide 7 into 2, 2 7 7 to the 14, and you get here 6, get 0 8 here 56, and 4 and 0. So 535, 5 like that one it will continue. So 3 plus 0.285, that is 3.285 is the answer. So another your textbook sum is I am going to do is Ci is equal to 0, 20, 20 minus 40, and 40 minus 60, 60 minus 80, 80 minus 100, 100 minus 120 I will do, and the F they have given is 10, 35, 52, 61. So the sum is 38 and 29. So L is equal to here 61 is the greatest number and the first number is 60. 60 L is equal to, and this is F1, F0 as I said, F2. So F0 is equal to 52, F1 61, F2 38, and H here see 20 differences are there. So H is equal to 20. So formula is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So L is equal to 60 plus 61 minus 52 by 2 into 61 minus 52 minus 38 into 20. So we get 60 plus 9 by 32 into 20. So 60 plus 180 by to 65.6. So this is like this you have to do answer. So this is one sum I explained, so like this only other sums there are in your textbook, you have to answer that. So okay friends, like the video, comment on my video and subscribe my channel Coaching Center for more video. I will explain the other topics in my other two topics are there in my next video. I will explain, and don't forget to watch the description. I will put some more questions in the description. You can solve it if you want. So okay friends, bye, see you, take care and have a nice day friends. Bye friends.